Today we're learning about baby elephants, baby crocodiles and baby monkeys. Did you know newborn elephants can weigh up to 200 pounds or 90 kilos? And here's the amazing part. An elephant mom's pregnancy lasts for 22 months. Yes, you heard that right. That's almost 2 years of waiting. Elephants are very sensitive and caring. If a baby elephant or calf fusses, the whole elephant family rushes over to comfort it. Calf, calf, calf. Most baby elephants are born at night, at night, at night, at night. And for the first few months of their lives, they stick close to their mothers, sipping on her milk for up to 2 years or even longer. Milk, milk, milk. Alright, time to get out your workbooks and grab a pencil, because I have a fantastic exercise waiting for you. Today we will work through a few statements about baby animals together and decide whether they are true or false. A baby elephant is called a calf. What do you think? True or false? It's true! So go ahead, use your pencil and check the green box. Baby elephants hatch from eggs. What do you think? True or false? It's false. Baby elephants do not hatch from eggs. So go ahead and check the red box. Now, let's talk about baby crocodiles, or as we like to call them, hatchlings. Hatchlings, hatchlings, hatchlings. Did you know that a female crocodile can lay up to 60 eggs at once? That's a lot of eggs to look after. Crocodile eggs are about as big as goose eggs and are cleverly buried under sandy beaches for protection. Protection, protection, protection. When it's time to hatch, these little reptiles use a special tooth called egg tooth to break free from their shells. Once they've emerged, they make grunting sounds to alert their mothers. To alarm, to alarm, to alarm. Mother crocodile then lends a helping hand to get them out and takes them for their first swimming lesson. Swimming lesson, swimming lesson, swimming lesson. Baby crocodiles are called hatchlings. What do you think? True or false? It's true. So go ahead and check the green box. Baby crocodiles hatch from eggs. What do you think? True or false? It's true. So go ahead and check the green box. Now let's talk about baby monkeys. Baby monkeys or infants come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have one thing in common. What could it be? Those big, curious eyes and soft fur coats. Each monkey species has its own unique pregnancy length, but on average it's around 4 to 6 months. Quick, right? Most baby monkeys are born with their eyes wide open and are super clingy. They are able to cling to their mother for transportation and protection. Transportation, transportation, transportation. Baby monkeys are called infants. What do you think? True or false? It's true, so go ahead and check the green box. Most Baby monkeys are born with their eyes wide open. What do you think? True or false? It's true, so go ahead and check the green box. Learning about animals is so much fun. Ask your grown-up to subscribe to catch the next lesson where we will learn where animals live.